Hello everyone, you are watching Karthik K Kamat channel, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update regarding UGC Net exam, KSET exam and other competitive exams. So you will be getting an update regularly if you subscribe to our channel. So now today we are going to discuss about commerce paper of UGC Net examination and what is the syllabus of commerce paper, that is code number 8. For long, let us see. In the commerce paper there are 10 chapters or 10 units are there. See, this unit number 1 is regarding business environment and international business. Unit number 2, that is accounting and auditing. Unit number 3 is business economics. Unit number 4, business finance. Unit number 5, business statistics and research methods. Unit number 6, business management and human resource management. Unit number 7, banking and financial institution. Unit number 8 is marketing management. Unit number 9, legal aspects of business. Unit number 10, income tax and corporate tax planning. So after seeing all these 10 units, you have to refer various subject specific textbook, and if you do not have any time, then you can refer guides also. Various type of guides are available online Amazon and in Flipkart. That is Truman's guide is available for commerce, that you can refer, or else Arihant publication guide is available, that also you can refer. And along with that, you have to solve the previous year question papers of commerce UGC Net examination, because in order to get the pattern of UGC Net examination and what type of question is asked in the UGC Net examination, so in order to understand all these things, you have to go through the previous year question paper and try to solve as many MCQs as possible, because in UGC Net examination now, as per the latest pattern, now they'll ask you assertion reason type of question. So you should be analytical and you should be able to analyze what is the right answer. So after this, if you see here, unit number 1, we discussed regarding business environment and international business. In that, concept and elements of business environment, economic policy, political environment, role of government in business, legal environment, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, social cultural factor, corporate social responsibility, CSR, these are all covered. Then globalization, liberalization, privatization, it is covered. Then theories of international trade, government intervention in international trade, tariff and non-tariff barriers, India's foreign trade policy. These will be there in our first chapter. The chapter name we know, that is unit number 1, business environment. And along with the business environment, international business is also added. So that is foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment, types of FDI, cost and benefits of FDI to home and host country, trends in FDI, India's FDI policy, balance of payment, importance and components of BOP, regional economical integration, levels of regional economic integration, European Union, SAARC, NAFTA, ASEAN, International Economic Institution, IMF, World Bank, UNCTAD, UNCTAD, then World Trade Organization, etc. TRIPS, TRIMS, GATS, these all the things you have to know before going to the examination. So this is the chapter number 1. Then unit number 2 is regarding accounting and auditing. So if you see in accounting and auditing, basically the partnership account is very important. Admission, retirement, death, dissolution and insolvency of partnership firm, and accounting principle, concepts and postulates, that also very important. Various concepts of accounting, money measurement concept, dual entity, separate legal entity concept, so matching concept, all these concept you should know. Then corporate accounting, if you see, issue, forfeiture, reissue of share, liquidation of companies, acquisition, merger, amalgamation, reconstruction of companies, holding company accounts, etc. But in our UGC Net examination, instead of asking the questions of practical in nature, asking the practical question, they'll ask you more of theory questions instead of practical questions. So you should be thorough with all. Deep knowledge should be there in the theory part of accounting and auditing, and practical question will be very less. If you see in out of 100 question, you may come across around 8 to 9 practical question. That's it. Then cost and management accounting is also included in accounting subject only. That is marginal costing, break-even analysis, standard costing, budgetary control, process costing, activity-based costing, costing for decision making, life cycle costing, target costing, Kaizen costing, a just-in-time approach. Then financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis, human resource accounting, inflation accounting, environmental accounting, Indian accounting standard, and IFRS auditing. Auditing is the latest they have added auditing. Before it was not there. Independent financial audit, watching, verification and valuation of assets and liability. Recent trend in auditing, management audit, energy audit, environmental audit, system audit, safety audit. So this is unit number 2, account and auditing. Then business economics. If you see business economics, micro and macro economics is there. So meaning and scope of business economics, objective of business firm, law of demand, electricity of demand, relationship between AR and MR, consumer behavior, law of variable proportion, theory of cost, price determination under different markets, perfect competition, monopolistic, oligopoly competition, monopoly competition, etc. Then the pricing strategy, price skimming, penetration, peak load pricing. So pricing strategy, from that a lot of questions are asked in the examination. Unit number 4 is regarding business finance. That is scope and source of business finance, lease financing, cost of capital, time value of money, capital structure, capital budgeting decision, conventional and scientific techniques of capital budgeting analysis, working capital management, dividend decision. Dividend decision, this topic is very important. Theories and policies, that is model, net operating income approach. These theories you should be knowing. You should know. Then risk return analysis, securitization, international monetary system, foreign exchange market, exchange rate risk, hedging techniques, international financial market and instrument, euro currency, GDR, global deposit receipt, ADR, American deposit receipt, international arbitrage, multinational capital budgeting. So these things are covered in business finance chapter. Or else you can refer for business finance. IM Pandey reference book is there that you can refer. And for accounts, business economics, you can go through the guide and all the material available. And if you have a textbook of BCom or else your MCom book is also more than sufficient. So you have to read all the books of your undergraduation as well as post graduation in order to get success in this examination, because the passing percentage in this examination is very low, that is 6%. And again it depends on various category also. So you have to score more. Basically, if you are from general category, you have to score above 55% in order to qualify this examination. Unit number 5, that is business statistics and research method. So under statistics, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of skewness, correlation and regression of two variable, probability, approach to probability, Bayes theorem, probability distribution, binomial, Poisson and normal distribution, research, concept and types, research design, data, collection and classification of data, sampling and estimation, methods of sampling, very important, probability and non-sampling methods, sampling distribution, central limit theorem, standard error, statistical estimation, hypothesis testing, Z test, T test. Under hypothesis testing, you should be knowing type 1 error, type 2 error, ANOVA, then the Mann-Whitney test, U test, Kruskal-Wallis test, H test, rank correlation test, report writing, etc. are covered under unit number 5. Next, unit number 6 is regarding business management and human resource management. Now, they have combined both and they have made it as one unit. Principles and functions of management, organizational structure, formal and informal organization, span of control, responsibility and authority, delegation of authority and decentralization, motivation and leadership, concept and theory. Leadership, various theories are there that you have to go through. Then corporate governance and business ethics, human resource management, concept, role, function of HRM, human resource planning, compensation management, performance appraisal techniques. Then collective bargaining of and workers' participation in management, personality, perception, attitude, emotion, group dynamics, powers and politics, conflicts and negotiation, stress management, organizational culture, organizational development, and organizational change. So these things are covered in chapter number 6, business management and human resource management. After that, unit number 7 is banking and financial institution. Overview of Indian financial system, types of bank, commercial bank, regional rural banks, foreign bank, cooperative bank, Reserve Bank of India, function, role, monetary policy management, banking sector reforms in India, Basel norms, risk management, non-performing asset management, NPA management, financial market, money market, capital market, government security market, financial institution, development and financial finance institution, non-banking financial companies, mutual fund, pension fund, financial regulators in India, financial sector reforms including financial inclusions, digitalization of banking and other financial services, internet banking, mobile banking, digital payment system, insurance. Insurance, this topic is now recently added. Types of insurance, life and non-life insurance, risk classification and management, factors limiting the insurability of risk, reinsurance, regulatory frameworks of insurance, IRDA and its role. This is chapter number 8, chapter number 7, that is banking and financial institution syllabus. Chapter number 8 is regarding marketing management. Under marketing management, you will come across marketing, marketing concept, marketing channel, marketing mix, strategic marketing, then product decision, pricing decision, promotional decision, distribution decision, consumer behavior, service marketing, trends in marketing, logistic management. So after that, there is chapter number 9, unit number 9, that is legal aspect of business. Under that, Indian Contract Act of 1872 and all the aspects of Indian Contract Act of 1872, Special Contract, Sale of Goods Act of 1930, Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881, Companies Act of 2013, Limited Liability Partnership, Competition Act of 2002, Information Technology Act of 2000, RTI Act, Right to Information Act of 2005, Intellectual Property Rights, Patent, Trademark, Copyright, Emerging Issues in Intellectual Property Right, Goods and Service Tax, GST, all these things you have to study. Then last chapter is income tax and corporate tax planning. Income tax basic concept, residential status, tax incidents, exempted income, agricultural income, computation of taxable income under various act, deduction from gross total income, assessment of individual, clubbing of income, international taxation, double taxation, avoidance of mechanism, transfer pricing, corporate tax planning, concept and the significance of corporate tax planning, tax avoidance versus tax evasion, techniques of corporate tax planning, tax consideration in specific business situation, make or buy decision, own or lease an asset, retain, renewal or replacement of an asset, shut down or continue operation, deduction and collection of tax at source, advance payment of tax, e-filing of income tax return. So this is the syllabus of UGC Net Commerce Paper 2, and you have to go through all the syllabus, and as according to the syllabus you have to read the relevant material, and you have to attempt a lot of MCQs in order to get to know the pattern of the UGC Net examination. I hope you all have understood this one. Thank you so